So today we're gonna do a cooking video of chicken karage, which is a deep fried Japanese dish that is very popular, other than the katsu obviously. And yeah, we'll just get started. We're just going to be deboning the chicken thighs. We only use chicken thighs for karage,
fantastic.
Not the breast.
Okay.
Now we've washed the chicken.
Okay.
Debone this chicken, yeah, like this. So that's the bone there. See how the bone detaches? And then you just hold it like that. Why is there an ant there? I don't like
the same as ant. What do? You just cut around the bone?
Yeah, I think the ants disappeared somewhere. I'm not sure.
Okay, now what do you do?
So this part here has to be taken off as well, because you don't want to eat that or deep fry that with the rest of the chicken.
What, the butt?
This.
Yeah, that's the butt.
So, yeah.
I'm quite sure that's a butt thing. What do they call it?
I don't know, waffy. It's called waffy.
It's called waffy.
Now everything's all good. So you want to leave the skin, because that would be really crispy once you deep fry it. But I normally take this excess bit off. And then cut the chicken in probably 5 pieces. That sharp bit there, get rid of that. Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay. So I'm going to try it with a cleaver.
Yeah.
Okay. So you just cut around the bone apparently, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that what you call a cleaver?
Yeah, there's a cleaver.
Wow.
It's for cutting meat and bones and stuff, yeah?
That's good. Make sure you don't cut it all through to the... Yeah, that's good.
Jeez. I've never really deboned anything before. I normally eat, when I cook, I normally cook everything on the bone, because that's how the Vietnamese eat everything. No, it really is. It's the best way to have a meat, because it's actually more flavoursome with the bone on.
Yeah, not karage, mate.
But then it's a lot harder to eat with the bone on, I guess.
It depends what you're cooking.
Because
if it's chicken wings,
it's a lot messier to eat with the bone on.
If it's chicken wings, then yeah, it's different.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Cool, huh?
Okay, now you have to check whether there's that thing.
Now, I've taken it all off in one go. Oh, good. Oh, hang on, there's a little bit here.
Yeah, take that thing off.
Okay, cool. Then just slice it into 5 pieces.
Or 6 or whatever. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, like that?
Try to keep the skin together, even though if it's broken, it just makes sure it doesn't keep tearing off. Yeah. Just hold it.
The skin is the most important bit, is it?
Yeah,
because it makes it crispy.
This is for you to fry later on.
Okay, so I'll put that somewhere else.
Yeah. Oh wow, you're such a good cook, eh? There's no bone.
Yeah, there's no bone. Yeah.
Okay, good.
I'm an excellent cook.
Okay. Alright, so now we just need the flavors.
So Winda's now going to like marinate the actual chicken.
So there's only there's only 5 ingredients with doing the marinade. It's just ginger, soy sauce, sake, mirin, and a bit of cracked pepper if you want it. You don't have to have it, but yeah. And there's a garlic as well. I think I mentioned it before.
Okay.
So
you grate it with, is that it?
No, this is just taking the skin off.
Yeah, you're taking the skin off with what?
With a teaspoon.
Oh, it's a teaspoon. Okay, yeah. That's interesting.
This is how you actually take
I've never done that before. That's an interesting new thing for me to learn.
It's the best way.
Wow. So what about a normal peeler?
I've never used normal peeler for this. Just carrots normally.
Okay. But you could use a peeler, yeah?
I don't know. Have you tried it?
Yeah.
Now we just put in the three main ingredients, which is the sake, soy sauce, and the mirin, which is like a Japanese wine, rice wine.
So where did you get these ingredients from, Wyndham?
Just Woolies.
Okay.
So it's a tablespoon each. So soy sauce, you can use any soy sauce, light soy sauce, the normal soy sauce, or the Japanese soy sauce is even better. And you can use the gluten-free soy sauce as well, the tamari one.
So you've got, what, a tablespoon there?
Yeah, 1 tablespoon each. And do you have chopsticks, by the way?
Yeah. I do have some puppies.
So take off the excess marinade like that, and then just dab it onto the flour, which is corn flour. Oh my god, look at that marinade just soaked into the chicken. So good, man.
So Winda, can you tell us how long you soaked or marinated the chicken for?
I just do it overnight.
Yeah.
But you don't have to.
So 2 hours is enough, yeah?
Yeah, 2 to 6 hours if you're not going to do it overnight. As long as you have fresh ingredients and don't use ginger powder, garlic powder, it will be good.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just deep frying this for 5 minutes until it's really crispy. The best way to reheat this is in an oven, 200 degrees for 8 minutes, or put it in an air fryer, even better. Yeah, air fryer is a good investment to reheat stuff.
We don't have the Japanese mayonnaise, so we can actually use Nando peri peri mayonnaise. Let's try this.
The best part of the cooking process is the eating in the end.
Oh, that's delicious. Yum yum.
What do you think? Good?
It's very It's very tender and the skin is crispy. But not too crispy. It's just slightly crispy. Now, okay, let's try the beef. This is a orange beef stir fry. When they made this prior to coming. That's yummy. Is that lemongrass in there or what is it?
Ginger.
Ginger. Okay. It's a hit, Winda. It's a hit. That's really good.